In today's episode, we're tackling a distinct situation with a 199,000 BTU commercial water heater. The task centered around a venting predicament, a broken 7-inch elbow that was halfway above the floor and halfway below. So we needed to gain access from the apartment above. We were able to cut out the broken double wall elbow and install a new 7/6 reducer, and we also installed new double wall B-vent to the new water heater. At KC Water Heaters, we pride ourselves in skill in managing intricate flue gas dilemmas.